Alright guys, today we're checking out something that honestly feels like it came directly out of the future. This is the ECOVACS WINBOT W3 OMNI, and yes, I am on the floor with it. This is a fully automated window robotic cleaning system. Now, if you've ever tried cleaning windows, sliding glass doors, or that big sunroom like we have back there, you know how annoying that can be. You're reaching, wiping streaks, climbing on chairs, and somehow the glass still does not look right. But this device is designed to completely remove that chore from your to-do list. Today we're going to unbox this thing, we're going to test it on my sliding glass doors and on my sunroom windows back there, and see if this robotic window cleaner can actually handle real-world glass surfaces. Let's get into it. Roll the clip. Now, before we start testing this guy, let's talk about what WINBOT actually is. A WINBOT is a robotic window cleaner that attaches to the glass and automatically cleans it for you. Now, these may have been around for a while, but the biggest name is definitely ECOVACS. They're widely recognized globally as the #1 brand in robotic window cleaners, and they've been refining this technology for years. But what makes the WINBOT W3 OMNI different is that this just isn't a window cleaning robot. It's a complete window cleaning system. So instead of just cleaning the glass and then leaving all the rest of the work up to you, this version includes the Omni Station, which actually washes the pads for you. And it does that automatically. So the goal here is simple. You place the robot on the window, you click the start button, and then the entire process is automatic. And the entire cleaning process happens from start to finish with almost no effort from you. Now let's open this up and see what comes in the box. Now first is the WINBOT. This is the unit that actually attaches to the glass. Check out the handle right there. Here's some cleaning solution that was also in the styrofoam packaging. Now next up out of the box is the Omni Station, which is honestly the biggest upgrade in the system. This station handles automatic mop washing, so you're not constantly rinsing dirty pads in the sink. That's the Omni Station right there. Pretty light also to grab. And there is the actual window cleaning bot there. Now also inside of the box, we get cleaning pads, cleaning solution, a power cable, a safety tether, and all of the documentation here. Everything feels really well built, which is important considering that this robot is designed to operate on vertical glass. Let's go ahead and install the battery pack. Here's the battery pack here. It goes right into this plug that can only go one way, and then you just tighten up the cable here, and I think it just slides directly in like that. Now here's a look at the controls on the top of the unit. This is the open cleaning compartment button. Right here with this little real looking device thing is a retract cable button. This is the power on and off button right here, standard power button. This is the up and down button here, up, down, right there. This is the function switch button right here. This is the function switch. And this is the start, pause, and confirm button right here. Let's go ahead and power this guy on.
Thanks for choosing the Ecovacs robot.
Now you can see right here the handy screen that shows you information about what's going on the Ecovacs robot. Now the next thing you have to do here is add cleaning solution to the robot. Now the most you can put in here is 80 milliliters, and this will cover 55 square meters of windows. Now it says don't use any other cleaning solutions in here, but their Ecovacs cleaning solution, which is right here in my hand. Let's go ahead and add some. So to do that, we just simply remove the cap here, and we go ahead and add on our own. Okay, that is full. We are good on that. Now the very next step of this process is to add water to the clean water tank. This is this tank right here. You simply just pull it out. There it is. Let's take it over to the sink here. I'm watching the fill line right here, and that is it. It is full. And let's go ahead and place it back into the unit just like that. And that is ready to go. Okay, now the next section here says that we need to remove the wiping pad from the WINBOT. You have to firmly pinch the clips on both sides. It has directions here for you if you don't know. Right there, right there, right there, right there. and the cleaning pad came directly off here. And now it says that we need to wet the wiping pad. Now we should be able to click a button on top, and you just press that and it does open directly up just like that. Now the fleece side will face inward. It does fit directly right into the door just like that. It sits flush with the door here. Okay, we're gonna hit this button. Check it out, it's cleaning the pad. Eight seconds left. And now it's ready for us to go to the next step. Now let's go ahead and install the pad onto the actual robot. All we have to do is open up the door like that, take it out, and now when you install it, you make sure that you line up the wheels with the slots on the WinBot here, and you just pull the little tabs together like that, and this thing is ready to go. And I'm going to put it on fast clean. Now it says to hold down the power button for 2 seconds here to start the fan. It did start. And look at that, it's suction cupped to the glass. And there goes the WinBot. Now let's see if it can go ahead and clean my windows. Check that thing out, guys. That thing is crazy. Look at that thing go. And it cleaned my entire window just like that, guys. Amazing. What a cool product this is. Now, one thing people always ask with robotic window cleaners is the obvious question, what stops it from falling? And that's where these safety systems come in. The WinBot W3 OMNI uses extremely strong suction, up to 800 newtons of force, and that's what keeps the robot firmly attached to the glass while it is moving around like that. Check it out. Now on top of that, there's a safety tether at the bottom, and that adds an added backup layer of protection. So between the suction system and the tether, the idea is that you don't really have to worry about the robot dropping off the window. You can see how firmly it's attached here. I'm gently trying to pull it off the window. It's not going anywhere. It's really locked in place. Now, from a safety standpoint, it feels very secure, even on large windows like these in the sunroom. Now, we already did our cleaning cycle on the sliding glass door right here. Now you can see before we started, this guy had smudges, fingerprints, dirt, everything from the outside world was on it. So we cleaned that with the robot, and look at it now. It is completely sparkly, spotless glass. You saw the robot spray the triangular cleaning solution directly on the glass, and that spray helps distribute the cleaning solution evenly across the glass before the pads wipe it away. And as the robot moves, it follows a structured path to make sure the entire surface gets cleaned. Now I've got this guy on heavy duty wash now. Now all we do is hold down the power button on the device here, on the actual bot itself. You'll hear the fans come on. They are on, and then all you have to do is attach it to the glass like this. And it does suction to the glass. You can see it going. There it goes. Now watch, there are spots all over this window. Check it out, guys. Now it is on thorough cleaning for exterior windows, heavy duty wash. And there it goes. You can already see it removing all of the water spots here. And just like that, it's done. And we can hold down the power button. And you just wait for it to detach and pull it directly off like that. When you are done with it, you then detach the pad by pulling in the clips, put it back into the actual unit, and then you rinse off the pad inside of the unit, which cleans it, like we did at the first step. Now, another small detail that's actually pretty nice is the one-button cord retraction. So instead of manually wrapping the cord up after cleaning, you can just press a button and the cord retracts automatically. And it's this button right here. Notice it is motorized, and there it's done. It's a small feature, but it helps make the whole system feel a whole lot more polished. Now, some people might wonder why someone would want to buy a robotic window cleaner in the first place. But if you've ever hired a professional window cleaning service, you know it's not cheap, especially if you have a lot of glass. In many cases, just one professional cleaning visit can cost close to what a WinBot costs. So instead of scheduling appointments and waiting for someone to come out, you basically have your own window cleaning system. You can use it whenever you want to. And that convenience is really the big appeal on the WinBot. Okay, we are on the phone now and we are looking at the Ecovacs Home App. If you don't know where to find that, you can scan the QR code at the bottom of the main unit, and now we can click install. Go ahead and open the app now. I'm going to go ahead and register Supercar Street Racing. All right, it wants us to get started with our WinBot. Let's go ahead and put SCSR compound. If we scan that one. Okay, it wants me to power on. It is powered on. Allow Ecovacs to nearby devices. Allow. Let's see if it found it. It found it. It is pairing. Awesome. And now let's go ahead and get it connected up to Wi-Fi. So I got to hold this for 3 seconds. It is done. And here it goes, connecting to Wi-Fi. We saw a little Wi-Fi symbol on the front. Let's call it the SCSR window bot. We're going to do English, and it gave us some window cleaning tips here. And we can go ahead and update. We're going to go ahead and update the WinBot to a new version. There we go. It's upgrading. It is downloading firmware. Let's let it get that done. But right here, you've got your tabs here for the WinBot or the station. So here's where you can wash your pad. If you go back to WinBot, though, you have fast clean, thorough clean, edge clean, deep clean, zone clean, and spot clean. And you can see the differences here. It shows you what each one does on the app. So after testing the WinBot W3 OMNI on those sliding glass doors and sunroom windows, the biggest takeaway is just how hands-off the whole process was. You basically put the robot on the glass, you press start, and it cleans the windows automatically for you. Then the OMNI station cleans the wash pads for you. It washes them inside the actual system. Now that's what makes the WinBot feel like more than just another gadget. It's a complete automated window cleaning system. And if you already like the idea of window cleaning robots, this feels like a version that finally removes the last remaining chores from the process. Now, if you want to check out the WinBot W3 OMNI, I'm going to put the product link down in the description below. Okay, we have this very, very clearly dirty window here. There's dirt, fingerprints, who knows what else. It is extremely dirty. Notice when I hold this black shirt up against the background here, all the dirt on this window. It is incredibly dirty. But I want you guys to get a good idea of watching this machine clean in real time. And look after. And a good look at when it's done. All the dirt's gone. And look behind the robot, no more dirt there. And check it out. Clean. We are all done with this window cleaning with the WinBot. I did this edge by hand, of course, because the robot could not get there. But look how good that looks compared to when it started. Very awesome job, WinBot. Thanks for helping me out. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And as always, thanks for watching Supercar Street Racing. We have 265,000 subscribers. Thanks to people like you, and we want to get more. So keep on watching, keep supporting us, buy from our vendors, and support the channel. And we'll see you in the next one.